Hello everyone, I am Shutapa Datta, MSc in Biology. Welcome to my channel, Shutapa's Biology. My today's topic is cell biology. That's the basic thing of the biology. As we know that the cell is the basic structural and functional unit of living organism. So my first topic or today's topic is cell biology. The topic is given in the NCERT 11 biology in unit number 3 and chapter 8. You will get it in the NCERT book. Firstly, the cell was observed by or discovered by only the scientist was Hook, and it's a unique thing that it was not in the living or any living organism. It's in the non-living thing. That's the Koch cell. I think you have studied in lower classes about this, and Koch cell is the non-living cell. Now after that, the first it was observed in the living system, that's the Anton von Leeuwenhoek. That's in the living system. And after that, Robert Brown, he discovered that Robert Brown, another scientist, he first observed and discovered the nucleus. So this is the main thing of the cell. As we know that the nucleus is the brain of the cell. So nucleus is the most important thing of the cell. Then other organelles, nucleus is the most important. And after that, I am going to discuss about it, that the next eminent scientists, that is the Sladen and Swan, the German botanist. He observed the cell in more details, and then he proposed the cell theory. But these all discussions we are going to discuss in the subtopics. Okay, so I am now giving about the subtopics which we shall discuss in different units or different videos. Okay, so what will be the subtopic in this chapter and in this topic, that I am giving the list of that. You just follow the list. Number one about is the cell theory. Already I have given just little introduction about it. That is the cell theory. So our first subtopic is cell theory. Who proposed it and how proposed it, everything I am going to discuss in the subtopic. That's the cell theory. Number 2 is overall view of cell. Number 3, types of cell. This you know that the types of cell, the most important 2 types are prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Now another one, mesokaryotic, is also discovered, but it's not so prominent. So we shall discuss here about the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Number 4 topic is cell envelope. It's a very big topic, and that's why I am discussing it in 2 different unit. That is, number 1 is in cell envelope. A is cell membrane, and B is cell wall. Students, you know, I think that the cell membrane is the common thing in all living organism. Each and every living things, they have the cell envelope. But cell wall is exclusively for the plant cells only, and also in the prokaryotic Monera we can get the cell wall. So these discussions of these things we shall discuss in details in the next videos. And number 5 is prokaryotic cell organelles. Prokaryotic cell organelles. After that, in the next topic, we shall discuss the eukaryotic cell organelles. It's a very big topic. Eukaryotic cell organelles. Eukaryotic cell organelles. You know that in eukaryotic cell organelles there are very prominent some cell organelles like nucleus. Already I have told you the nucleus is the brain of the cell. Okay, so number 1 is under it. Then number 1 we shall discuss about nucleus. Number 2 is mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Okay, so next is mitochondria. Number 3 C is plastid. That's only we can find in plant kingdom, not in animal kingdom. So plastid, nucleus, mitochondria, and other than that all the small organelles, all other smaller organelles. And these are like Golgi body, like ER, that is the endoplasmic reticulum. It has 2 types, that is ACR and RER. So these things are under this topic, that is all other smaller organelles. Ribosome is also included, lysosome. It might be in different videos also, but later I shall give you that outline, that in which video we shall get it. These are also a diverse topic and time consuming also. So I am just writing you here ribosome. It's the electron microscopic organelle which we can't get in the compound microscope. It's so small that we can't get it in the compound microscope. We can get it in under the electron microscope only. So ribosome. Number 2, ribosome is also known as protein factory. And then lysosome. Lysosome is the suicidal bag. Another thing, Golgi body. Golgi bodies. Next, another is ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum. ER, it has 2 types, SER and RER. After that have cilia and flagella. And ultimately the centriole and microbodies. So all these are the smaller organelles, or smaller organelles means not about the size, about the importance of them. In comparison to these things, they are smaller in size also, but less important than them. These are most important things. But ribosome is also very important thing. We know that there is the protein factory. Without ribosome we can't survive, and all these organelles are really important for some cells, but main things are nucleus and mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. So in my following videos we shall get all these topics in details. So today that's all. Bye.